Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a GitHub account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser. Once it's open, go ahead and search for GitHub in the search bar. You'll see several links in the search results, but simply click on the first link, which will take you to the official GitHub website. Now that you're on GitHub's homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Sign Up button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the sign up page where you'll begin creating your account. Here, the first thing you need to do is enter your email address. After that, you'll be asked to create a strong password. Make sure it's something secure and not easy to guess. Then you'll need to choose a unique username for your GitHub profile. After that, just select your country from the drop-down list. Once all the information is filled in, simply click on the Create Account button. At this point, GitHub will send a verification code to the email address you just entered. So go to your inbox, copy the code, and then come back to the GitHub signup page. Paste the code in the verification box. Once the code is verified, your GitHub account will be successfully created. That's it! You can now start creating repositories, manage your projects, collaborate with other developers, and explore everything GitHub has to offer. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create a GitHub account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.